Now let's go ahead and diagnose this Whirlpool washer that it has long drain error code. All right, right here I have a Whirlpool washer. I'm gonna go into diagnostic mode. It has a long drain error code. Let's get into diagnostic mode and check the drain pump and check the wire harness. Service diagnostics. Let's go for the drain pump component activation. Let's see. Drain pump. Let's activate the drain pump. You can see it's running. Up running. Wire harness problems right here. Gotta order that wire harness and replace it. Washer has been diagnosed. Now I gotta get approval and order the parts. Subscribe for more appliance repair tips. Have a good day.